I swear to God, we're gonna see like Jimmy and Kim and all them walk by or something. Yeah. Just like the sound to walk by. The other day I walked home with them and they wanted me to like go around 5. Yeah. Did I tell you that? I walked home with them and they wanted me to go around 5. So I was like, alright, I'll go to my house and meet you at Jimmy's house in like 10 minutes. And they're like, okay, and I just stayed home and never showed up. Kelsey, what are you doing? Hi, Bubbles. My mouth is me? Just send me, just me.
Baby. Hi. Hi. You're cute. You're not. You're cute.
I'm cute.
You're cute. You're not.
You're cute. You're not. I can sound like a bird.
Do it.
No, it's not. No, I'm not doing that.
In Florida and watch like Mr. Pan's glasses.
Do it. The bike. I was expecting like a little like tweet.
I know it.
I did in Florida and like we just a roof noise.
Do it.
And we would make up a song. We'd make up songs. It would be like, she did a roof noise.
Do it. No, do the bird again.
Do it. I told Grandma. I sat in for Grandma. And I did mad down. She was like, what's that? No, I was like, Grandma, did you just say that? No, she was like, yeah, what was it? I was like,
do it again.
no.
One more time.
No.
Do it.
Mad funny.
Do it.
No.
One more time. Come on.
Do it.
One more time. One more.
No. It's mad loud. I'm not
Do it one more time.
I went to one to your mouth first.
Do it mad loud. Too slow.
You just went pee.
Peter Pan every time I saw it. What? I just killed the fairy.
Killed yourself.
Yeah.
I'm a fairy.
Like Tinkerbell.
Oh, I know it's a sport fairy.
That's what